Nah, no joy for Abula though. No joy. Eh? Seriously, they do Abula. Don't scatter the house where Igbo people build for Abula though. See now, this white one now, they go scatter this one now. They go bring this one down very soon now. Many houses, I know video, people they cry. Abula, don't they scatter house for Abula though, no be small thing, no be small thing. Seriously, they do Igbo people house, so they go bring this one down now very soon. This one now. This one. This one will come down very soon now. Soon. The moment I see all this building, all this building is going down. Oh. All these buildings are going down. All these buildings are going down now. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So all these buildings are going down. All these buildings, everything is going down. Oh. They're waiting for them to pack that thing. So where are we going to? It's the Abulado. All these buildings are going down. Are going down. They're waiting for them to pack that things now. They're waiting for them to pack that things. All these buildings. Yeah, see, no problem. Some people they pack that things. Some people they pack that things. So they're just waiting for them to pack that things. God help us, Babylon. God help us. So everything is going down. They're waiting. I just give them some minutes now, not even hour again. Oh my God, see all these houses are going down. Just people are packing their things. All this building now. Everything. Demolition, everything. All this building, God. All this building. They're just waiting for them now to pack that things. I don't give them some time. It's not even up to 1 hour now again. They're just waiting now. They asked them to pack their things yesterday night. All the whole building you are seeing, everything is going down. Everything is going down now for some minutes now. The ones that bring down since yesterday, a lot. I can't even video again. God help us. So say do Igbo. Now for Abula don't see the happen. Abula do. Now for Abula do see building, see mansion. Abula. This one is going down too. Very soon now. Moment I see. All these buildings are going down. See this one. Everything. I just give them some time now to pack that things out. Yeah. Even inside safe, house are still going down. See. All these buildings are going down. Babylado, God help us. Mommy, I just see Babylado. I just see you. Now you do video now. I don't want to go close. I beg. I dey okay. I beg. Where they collect my phone? I'm gonna sit in Babylado. All these buildings way they see they go down. Everything they go down. Now they sit in Babylado. Igbo people don't suffer for Lagos. So. Abulado. About this one they happen. Abulado. God help Igbo people for Lagos. So God help us. So. Many buildings inside. Even what is it called? Army Gate side. Mommy, I see now. See all this place where you see, all this way they see now. Now fine mansion they here. Mansion. Oh my God. When are they see now? Let me show you guys. Well, they're still working now. See this one now. See this one. This side, another side, this one Army Gate. Army Gate now. At Abula, see. See now. These ones are going down. Mommy, I see now. Hello? All this house now, see, all of them are going down. So it's the other side there. Turn blood, turn blood. All of them are going down. Yes. All these fine houses are going down soon. God.
Anyway, two sets. That first one I'm about to pull out. No, let me go look up another cover. We can bridge there.
All these houses are going down. Oh. All this mansion. Oh.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, progress the analysis of come again. Make I can analyze this thing on my own way, or the way where be say una go still like am, but you go still drop your opinion for the comment section. Right now, una know say since the past election of Tinubu, Atiku, Peter Obi, AAC, APC, take it back, take it front, take it corner, and all the takeable. People wey be Igbos, innocent people wey dey stay for Lagos, they never get rest of mind. Today, they go say they don mark their house down. Tomorrow, they go say make they comot from market. Next tomorrow, they go lock their stores. The next day, we go hear say, oh, they don dey demolish their houses. So, but una know what, people dey like who dey lie well. Person when e dey very free, when e dey talk truth, e go talk am how e be. For our society today, they no dey like am. Wetin the society dey like today and wetin dem dey embrace today na lie. Dem dey celebrate am like say tomorrow e no dey. Una know say when Peter Obi come out come dey contest for Nigeria election, say he wan be Nigeria, he wan be president. He dey protest here and there, he dey do this, he dey do that. People really believe say he really need the progress of the youth at heart, or the progress of Nigeria at heart. But all na fake, na camouflage. Because I dey always dey talk and say, before you go come and say you wan be Nigeria president, no say you be somebody when you ready to fight for everybody. You are ready to fight. Why I dey talk like this? This thing when it dey happen for Lagos since all this while, you no go see Nigeria politician when you go talk, because why? They no wan offend their leader. They no wan offend Tinubu, because why? Tinubu don't promise them a lot of things, and then believe in Tinubu. They no wan offend them at all. They no wan say truth to power. They no wan talk the truth. Wetin dey happen for Lagos when e not good, they no dey talk am. This thing, this spirit of lie, they don't use am take destroy a lot of people for this our society today with the spirit of lie. When e reach for election, wetin they go do? They go continue to dey lie, they deceive, but people not still dey wise. Now, una know say if you dey really dey talk about people wey be really one Nigeria, where they really dey practice this one Nigeria, I give am to the Igbos. Igbos, they be person where business will come out from one state to another. They go make that state a small Dubai. They go build that place, go be like small heaven. Where bush dey before, erosion dey pass, water dey destroy everywhere. They turn yama wuru. Igbo ma go buy land for that place. You see say water they disturb, he go say no wahala, he go feel am. Like all these places where you see they dismantle today. So Igbo people buy this place where be say water no go feel let you near am, dirty no go feel let you near am. When they don't sell out for the finish, they don't feel everywhere, they don't open the place, they'll come and say they need their land. Abba, make una still wise. How person go get house finish, build and do everything. Tomorrow they say, oh, he dey against one thing, they won't destroy am. They come make a lot of them homeless. Now, the money when you won't use, they go, they develop another land where you not get. When you know say tomorrow they'll come tell you say things fall apart. Why you not go use that money to buy land for your village? make you do am to small Dubai, do am to the way you want, say make that Lagos, make your house for Lagos be, go build that for your village, go open that place, because now one person that dey start raise. If you start the thing, say at the end of the day you can succeed, open that place, bring life to that community, a lot of people go wan like to go back to that village, go develop there. So now one person na dey start something. So my message today be say, you when you dey develop land wey not be your land, this thing don dey exist for a very long time, and still people no dey wise. E don reach time when you go take carry that your market from Lagos, carry am go east, go develop am. Abi they wan collect extra money from you, or they talk say if you carry your land or you go buy land for east, say one thing go happen give you. No, but they prefer to stay for this Lagos where they not even welcome them. Abba, go your land, go build your land, go develop your land. So my beautiful family, now this one has make a carry con say enough is enough. Make una too carry land, go build. How you go to develop place where not be your own? I know say e dey good say where you dey stay, now you go be your small heaven, but this one now is obviously they not need you. As they not need you, wetin you go do? You not carry your kaya go your place where you go develop am. If you not develop your village, you want develop am for you. You dey run comot from east, say the place not develop, they call they develop where they not welcome you. Abba, make you think twice before e go hook you. So my beloved family, let's make a bring a call me to say, before people come from church or Sunday, which is the 19th day of November 2023, these people, their house don't fall apart. Now say make a bring a call give and make una still watch. They see what did happen for this Lagos state when they say Bola Ahmed Tinubu come from. And I tell me some our politicians, all these people, all these leaders, pastors, reverend, deacon, fathers, they know they say all these things, but who won't talk. So I beg you to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.